Hello and welcome to today's tutorial. I will introduce you to a new software. I think you'll find it both useful and interesting. As always, you can find a download link below, and let's start. Please note that this is a trial version and you can use it for free for 7 days. After that, the software costs only €3. There's also an option to reduce the cost if you solve the puzzle provided within the software, but let's start from the beginning and take a clear look at its features. This software comes with a handy toolbox that you can use for various tasks. It reminds me a little bit of Office Word, and you can launch different functions also using hotkeys, which makes it very convenient. One of the things I like most is the simplicity of its interface. Everything you need is right here without the need to navigate through multiple tabs. Additionally, you have the option to hide the toolbox, hide its icon, or move it up and down as needed. First two ones you can do within tray menu. Okay, now let's proceed with key features. Drawing tool. The drawing tool are quite robust. You can draw directly on your screen whenever needed, either by clicking the toolbox button or using hotkey combination Ctrl plus your choosing key. Be mindful when selecting your hotkey to avoid conflicts with other applications that use similar shortcuts. In drawing mode, you can use two techniques. The left mouse button allows for freehand drawing, while the right mouse button lets you draw rectangles. You can easily switch between these techniques without changing any settings. Adjust the color by rotating the mouse wheel and modify the brush size using the number keys. To exit drawing mode, press the escape key or double-click the mouse button. Double-clicking the left mouse will erase all drawings but keep you in drawing mode, whereas double-clicking the right button will exit drawing mode while keeping any existing drawings intact. It will act as an escape button if there will be no drawings on the canvas. The cursor highlighter is the feature where you can highlight your cursor and you can change the size, opacity and color of the circle, what you get, and that's it. And now the key press display. I find this feature useful in my case. It shows the keys you press on the screen and you can customize its location by dragging it to your preferred spot. You can also pin it, change its color and opacity, adjust how frequently it will renew, and choose which keys press to display. There is a filter setting that allows you to show only hotkeys instead of every key you type, which I find most convenient. You can also use the show background image option, which will allow you to use the background image instead of color, and you can hide the background when idle. It means that if you're not typing, then this key press display will disappear. And now the click visualizer. The click visualizer also offers size, opacity and color settings. You can control how long the click visualization stays on screen with the delay settings. It can be animated or static depending on your preference. The zoom feature has two modes. The first mode lets you zoom in on the entire screen, while the second mode allows you to cut out a specific section. It utilizes Windows native cutting mechanism for this purpose. It is quite interesting. This software has also the unique feature, the mystery box or something. As I mentioned earlier, this software has a unique feature called the mystery box. Solving it can unlock some bonuses, and yeah, you should try to do it before you will buy it. At the end, I want to say that it's a nice software. I like the drawing tool here because it's a very handy. You can do quick drawings on your screen, and if you liked it, you can just download it from the Softpedia and try it and maybe buy it. That's it for today, and I hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe and hit likes. Bye.